All right, language explorers. Let's look at this Friday's Friday idioms. So, drifted apart. Drifted. Like on the water, just drift. Just drift. Just drift apart. Apart. Away from each other. A distance. Slowly move apart. Over time. Yeah. I met her years ago, but we slowly drifted apart. They started to drift apart since he moved home. They drifted away. She drifted apart, and he was all alone. Yeah. We drifted apart over time. Drift, like on the water. It just happened. Just drift apart. Things happened. We grew up. Our interests and priorities changed, and so we drifted apart. Yeah. That's it. That's life. That is life. As we meet different people at different stages in our life. Yeah. How cool is that? I think we just drifted apart. We had different interests. We were different people. Things just slowly faded and we drifted apart. Yeah, that's it. How cool is that? Things happened and we drifted apart. Yeah, so we used to be good friends, but since I moved to Spain, we slowly drifted apart, especially when he moved to China. Yeah, just drifted apart. We had different interests and priorities. Yeah, just things were different. Things changed. That's it. How cool is that? Yeah. So, drifted apart. Now, can you use it in a sentence? Yeah. Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And likewise, you can find me on Udemy too when you look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.